Why are you going so fast?
I don't know.
Is it whose car?
I think it is.
It's your car, right?
Yeah.
Once you're able to, you'll be able to make your phone call from the jail, and you can make your arrangements on how you're going to get out.
One stop, two available charges. The same facts could place one person under arrest or two. The variable is not the speed on the radar. It is which statute the officer selects at the scene. Whether that decision reflects proportionate enforcement or a suppression motion waiting to be filed is the question this analysis examines.
Are you good for? 1717.
Five 8-1. Copy, somebody. Need your license?
Do you want to just stay here?
Let me get your license first, okay? So I'm off your age, by the way. I'm off your age, by the way. The reason I'm stopping you. You know how fast you're going there on 18? What's that? You know how fast? You want me to tell you how fast you're going? You're 117. 117. Why are you going so fast? Do me a favor, pull up into the Congo River parking lot there. Hey, can I get one more? Can I get one more? I'll be in the Congo River parking lot. Caroline, is it Caroline? How about I talk to you? You got shoes? Just nothing. Just relax. Can you take this off? How old are you? Yeah. Oh,
If I drop my phone.
you won't get all that stuff, okay? We'll walk over here, okay? The reason why you're handcuffed right now is because, like I told you, you're doing 117.
Yeah, I literally never go that fast. I have 0 speeding tickets.
At 117 miles an hour. Do you
It's
know
a
they
fast car.
Right. Do you know they just passed a new law, right?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay. So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the speed limit, it's a misdemeanor. Okay? You understand that, right?
So what does that mean?
You're being arrested for your speed limit. Okay? Alright? It's not a joke, okay? 117. You're passing that car. You're in the far left lane. Sped around that car at 117 miles an hour.
Sorry.
Just because you're having fun.
I understand.
Okay?
Wait, why is he being arrested?
We'll get everything squared away, okay?
Oh, did they leave the car on?
Well, should I have the keys in there?
I don't know.
Is it, whose car is
I
it?
think it is.
It's your car, right?
Yeah, it's my car.
Okay.
Should be in there.
Alright, is there anything on you? Because I'm going to have a female officer come search you.
Okay.
There's nothing on you?
No, I would prefer
Alright,
to have
so
my
who is
phone
that to you?
That's my husband.
That's your husband. Alright, did he tell you to slow down, or?
Yeah. Yeah, I
It's not-
understand. It's fast.
Okay? There's not a place to do it, right? If you want to go that fast, there's a racetrack for that kind of stuff. Okay?
Yeah, we know.
Because what you're doing, it's racing too, okay? It's considered racing, exhibition of a speed, all right?
Sorry, I really wasn't aware. I literally never go fast.
All right, well, just hang tight.
Right.
We're
Wait, I
gonna
have a question.
What
Why
is
is he getting arrested?
Because everybody in the car for racing, it goes to jail, okay? I'm gonna go talk to him here in a second, but that's how it is. It doesn't matter. People can they be sitting on the side of the street watching racing. They can go to jail, okay?
But are we like actually going to jail, or is it like
Yes.
bond out type of situation?
No, you're going to jail, okay? Just hang tight. I'll come back and talk to you in a second. What's your name, boss?
Isaiah.
Did you know she was going that fast?
I wasn't looking at the speedometer. I can't see over it, but
Right.
it felt fast.
It felt fast, right?
Yeah.
Did you tell her to slow down at all, or did you want her to slow down?
I mean,
I get. I understand.
I'm comfortable. You know, I'm not trying to.
No, you're just being detained right now, man. You have to understand that she was doing 117, okay? They just passed a new law. Anything over 100 miles per hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, is a misdemeanor now, okay?
Yeah.
They're not playing around, okay? She's your wife, you said?
Yeah.
All right. Is that your car too?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have a valid license?
Yeah.
Where were you guys headed to?
I was headed to pick up a car part. It was like a what do you call it? It was like a sticker for the badges. It was just like some meetup.
Is that where you're coming from?
No, I was coming from home.
You guys were coming home. You guys were going to go pick up some stickers or stuff.
Yeah, some stickers for the car.
All right. Just take that. Hey, Caroline. I'm just going to read you something real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions of your race. You can sign anytime. Exercise these rights. Not answering the questions or making any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained? Is it a verbal yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, like I explained to him, because you guys got dogs at home, and he's got a license, he's a registered, I'm gonna let him take the car home, okay? So he can take care of the dog, okay? You seem like a good person. I think you just made a bad choice today, okay? Like I said, they just passed this new law. We're not playing around with these speeds anymore, okay? Like I said, anything over 100 miles an hour, or anything 50 miles above the posted speed limit, okay? You're looking at jail time, okay? So, I gotta do some paperwork. You gotta get a citation for me. I'm not gonna do the racing statute. I'm just gonna do the dangerous speed statute, okay? The 1 over 100 miles per hour, 50 miles above the posted speed limit. If I decided to do the racing charge, I could take both of you to jail, okay? But I'm not doing that, alright? Hopefully this will be your last one, alright? Alright?
Step out for me. And Shadow's handcuffs. Yep. Face that way. Okay, once I get Shadow this one, I want you to put this hand on top of your head for me, okay? Put it on top of your head. There you go. Alright, you can relax. Come on over here. All right, just right here. Hang tight right here for a second.
I'm not trying to be rude. I don't understand.
Okay, because if the officer wanted to, or if I wanted to, I could charge you with racing. Okay? Being a passenger in the car, that's racing. Exhibition of speed of the vehicle, which you go to jail too. Okay? That kind of behavior is not acceptable at all. You want to race, go to the tracks. Okay? You want to have fun doing 117 miles an hour on 19, go to the tracks. Okay? You hit somebody out here doing that, kill somebody, hurt somebody severely, just a good part of your life is going to be gone. You understand? Okay. Your wife wants to speak with you. I'm going to ask this officer if it's okay. And if that's okay, then, we'll bring you up to the window and let you speak to her real quick. Right. We're going to let you take the car.
Do you know, like, what's happening? Like, what's going to happen?
Do you?
Yeah.
So, like, am I, like, sleeping there? Like...
You may have a bond. Okay? Just depends. But I don't know if you've been in trouble before, any kind of criminal history, anything like that. Just on display, but they'll tell you what your bond is over there. Okay, it's probably a small bond, somewhere around $500
Do you
or
know,
so.
like, where it is? Is it the...
Yep, 49th Street. All right. So what happened is I wrote down his number for you because your phone was completely dead. Once you're able to, you'll be able to make your phone call from the jail, and you can make your arrangements on how you're going to get out and how you're going to get picked up and whatnot. Okay. All right.
Can I give him a kiss?
Nope. Unfortunately. There you go. That's what you go. I was going to say. Just real low, okay? All right.
Officer Tabacota Police Department. I'm here just to conduct your search, okay? Do you mind stepping out for me? Have you faced the vehicle? And take a step away from the car? And widen your stance for me? Okay, perfect. Anything on your person I should know about? Regular bra, or like squat? I give everybody this discretion, okay, so don't take it personally. Anything on you at all whatsoever. Okay, any introduction of contraband into the jail is an additional felony, and I'll be happy to charge you with it if they find anything, so that's why we like to give everybody that heads up, okay? Alright, let's
see. Florida Statute 316, 183 subsection 3 elevates driving 30 or more miles per hour above the posted limit to a misdemeanor of the first degree, carrying up to 1 year in county jail. Under United States v. Watson decided in 1976, direct officer observation of a criminal offense establishes probable cause for a warrantless arrest on both statutory and constitutional grounds. The stop is legally sound. Statute 316.1000, 895. extends criminal liability for exhibition of speed to every vehicle occupant. A single vehicle qualifies. No second car and no organized race are required by the statute. The officer declined to charge under this provision. Under United States v. Armstrong decided in 1996 that choice is within unreviewable prosecutorial discretion, absent proof of selective prosecution. The statute selected is the only variable separating one arrest from two, and that selection is made entirely at the officer's discretion. Miranda v. Arizona decided in 1966 requires a rights advisement before custodial interrogation. Berkemer v. McCarty decided in 1984 established that custody attaches not at handcuffing, but at the moment the officer decides to arrest. Statements made between that internal decision and the formal advisement carry suppression risk, regardless of how willingly they were given. That interval is not documented on camera. That gap is the foundation of any suppression motion. Missouri v. Cyber decided in 2004 bars deliberate two-step interrogation. Extract statements before Miranda, then re-question after the advisement. If pre-advisement questioning here was intentional, post-Miranda statements become derivatively inadmissible. 3 lessons follow. Statute selection determines who is arrested. Miranda attaches at the arrest decision, not at handcuffing. And voluntary cooperation does not cure a pre-Miranda statement. Timing and intent govern admissibility, not demeanor. What the footage cannot answer is the pre-advisement exchange incidental conversation or deliberate extraction. Did the charging decision reflect proportionate enforcement or caution around a legally complex outcome? Which statements survive a cyber challenge at a suppression hearing? The law provides the framework. The facts remain genuinely contested. Whether this stop is a model or a cautionary example is a question in the courtroom. Not the body cam. We'll answer.